This dataset already has a subject model, a record key, an ontology-backed diagnosis, and a date of birth. Now it needs some actual records. The model's Actions menu is where records get created. Notice the form is generated from the model itself: a free text subject identifier, a constrained diagnosis list, and a date picker for the date of birth. Diagnosis only offers values from that ontology subtree. There is no free text here, which is what keeps records consistent across a dataset. Then the subject identifier and a date of birth. Saving it. Opening the record shows what Pennsieve actually stored. The diagnosis is stored as an ontology concept rather than just a label, so the underlying disease code travels with the record. Switching to the JSON view shows the record exactly as it is stored, the same shape the API returns. Further down are two more sections. Relationships link this subject to other records, a sample or a visit. Attached files link it to the actual data. Both get their own walkthrough.